Okay, now for this step, you'll be bouncing everything out into a WAV file. And the easiest way to make sure you have everything selected, I go up here to the Smart tool. You just click this little rectangle over these tools. So you have your grabber tool. See? All right, now you have your grabber tool. You'll click your longest track, you hold shift, and then you press semicolon, and that'll select everything under to make sure everything is lined up, and you're selecting everything that was recorded so nothing was left out. Next, you will make sure there's nothing soloed or muted that you don't want soloed or muted in your final bounce. The shortcut to bounce out to wave is Command Option B, or you can go up to File, Export, Audio Mix. Here you have wave type, your format, you want it to be interleaved, meaning one track, your bit depth 32, which you can leave it at 32 or put it at 16, whatever's your preference. But I believe you should leave it at 32, sample rate 44K, that's the same sample rate you have in your playback setup engine, your file name demo, and you can name it whatever you want. So this is demo first mix. Then you choose where you want it to save to. I will save it to my desktop. Then you click open. Now you have your export set up and ready to go. So you have your wave, interleave, 32-bit, 44K sample rate, your file name, you chose where to put it. I'll put it on my desktop. Bounce offline. I usually always bounce offline because it's quicker and you don't have to sit and listen to the whole song while it's bouncing. You click export and it's exported. So now you can minimize that, and your new bounce track should be wherever you saved it to. Be sure to look at the timestamp on your bounce track to ensure you bounce out the whole song, not just one verse or something like that. So as you can see, mine's 3 minutes and 49 seconds long. All right, that's how you record, playback, and bounce out in Pro Tools first. I'll see you next video to show you how to bounce out multiple tracks, multiple individual tracks.